easy on you. Not to hurt your feelings. But I'm only here to give this one chance. I can hear it. It's just a feeling like something's about to happen. And I know your voice. It will be my trouble. Big trouble. And it is much more than you say. I'm not taking any chances. You take it.
Beginning to feel like a rap cat. All my people feel but never back cat. And things are army long enough to satisfy. Fuck this a rap like a robot, so call me rap. Stop for me rap. You must be my jeans. I got a laptop in my back. Talking my trouble up my ass. I got that knocking out rap. I'm ready to get it, kill it off. Ever since we have things killing off. It's just probably gonna work, keep killing off. That's it, give it that keep killing off. This is in these is all. So the most gonna holler. Let's see it, give it, pop you really wanna get into it. The passion, slap me right back in the back of the back of the app. So you maintain this stuff ain't that smart. Everybody was keen to see what's rap mortality like I have done. But you will lose to the rage and you will lose. Everybody else is moving this and feeling like an asteroid and nothing but you can lose it. Aliens you get taken as well as you get confused and mistaken. The monster on now feeling this focus. Be how hard to rock it like your chick bass is talking. If you pay down for ability, think you think I'm them. It's about enough one day for one to up and be a position. People need the independence of the mother of the market. All the things is all the turn and break the all the things will be the alcohol. Shoot, you faggot little game. So off the block and play. I'll take it. To be worth it. You take it. Don't nail it yet. No game. You're a sick face boy. Witnessing a massive murder like you watching a church gathering take place away. Oh, say that boy is gay. That's how they say it. You need a love that pass. Don't sleep on every day looking boy. Hey, looking boy, what you see looking boy? I get a head down from the looking boy. I'm more for everything I have never asked for. What is thinking about basic boy? Basic boy, it is gonna be capable of keeping up the same pace. I'm beginning to feel like a rap. All my people from the front to the back. The way I'm racing around the track, call me NASCAR. Dealing hard in the trailer park, the wet trash. Dealing for generals, all this planet script on no ASCO. Thor, Apple, I'm cold. But I'm reloading the meter. I'm told. And I should not be broken. I'm walking down, I'm just talking heads, and I'll be floating. But I got your mom to go. I'm out on ramen noodle. We have nothing in common. I'm doing that future stuff. And they all pay out to you. It's me. Awesome. It's honest. If I don't feel alive, then I do this for just once in a while. But wanna make sure someone sees about that simple as it's like I'm trying to get you to do contact. But I gotta give a few punchlines. You can't just do it one shot. The whole real looking at me like it's one shot. No, it's not your one shot. We'll see you in a moment. I'm just rapping. I'm serving. I'm trying to fuck the shot. When you feel like a few of the skill, I'm you get to make it in good time. Right now, one line is in all of that. Don't you put when I try to take that with you. All the right up there, you can have it with all our hands on. It's not the way without the hate speak. Now what? Walk into the world, through the portal. First, I guess I work without a pull. So if you put this tag that you might find to play this to the puzzle is freaking. What is true? Like, oh, I can't be normal. And I just thought it was break up in the future. Come together like the attack was being taken. It's actually looking back now. This guy's actually back with a baby got no made up right now. 24/7 on the game. Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Take that, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you, super honesty. We know what it occurs to you. First, you